Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone charging slowdown after updating to the iOS 17 beta. So many users have reporting that their iPhone charging is slowed down after iOS 17 update. So how to fix it? So guys, firstly you can check the charging port and clean it with toothbrush or any soft tool. So if this is not working, then we go to another is to restart your iPhone. So launch the settings app and scroll down, and now you can see general, tap on it and scroll down, and now you can see shutdown, tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart, and after 5 to 10 second, press and hold the power button to open the iPhone. Now you can see Apple logo is appear. Waiting for few seconds, it will take some seconds. Now you can see iPhone is restart now. If this issue is not solved by this method, so we go to the settings, go to the general, and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, and now you can see reset, tap on it. Now you can see reset all settings, tap on reset all settings to reset the all settings only without losing any data. So guys, if this is not working, then we go to another is to check that our iPhone is updated to the iOS 17 properly or not. So go to the settings, scroll down, tap on general, again tap on software update, and now you can see checking for update. Now you can see iOS 17 is update. So if your iPhone charging slowdown is not fixed, then you downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16 to fix this issue. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.